going on. You can't fall asleep when you're counting stars. Get it together. Your mind can't sleep when you let it serve. But now you wanna see me fall. From a quarter mile, I can see you at the goal. Think about it, ring will tell you what I see. wanna see how you look now. I don't wanna hear what you're up to, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I said I heard it through the grapevine that you were still looking mighty fine. I don't even care to see the damn truth, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I don't wanna know that you're in town. I don't wanna see how you look now. I don't wanna hear what you're up to, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I said I heard it through the grapevine that you were still looking mighty fine. I don't even care to see the damn truth, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do.
Just give me the microphone so I can do some preaching. Give me the podium, I'm only here for public speaking. You're giving me plenty of reasons to wonder what I should be doing to fix this. I'm overthinking like I'm under more tree than all of the gifts at Christmas. I would hate to witness you kissing on some dude, swagging how you do, looking cute, while I'm sitting across the room all confused. Cause I wouldn't know if I should convince you just to dip with me, or picture someone else taking you home to mirror our history. Coming up in my town, running around, dressing loud. How can I step out the house without having to run into you now? Sick to my stomach, I feel it becoming somewhat depressing, that you the subject is stressing me over nothing. I'm done with it.
That you're in town, but I don't wanna see how you look now. I don't wanna hear what you're up to, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I said I heard it through the grapevine that you were still looking mighty fine. I don't even care to see the damn truth, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do.
You burning bad, I'm inferno mad. There ain't nothing worse than working with someone who gives no mercy back. Dear Miss Human Torch, I can't really handle that. The way you start a fire with just actions and no words to match. Even with your pyro powers, you're still colder than the deepest, darkest point that's at the bottom of the Arctic Ocean. I try to keep my brain in motion at these depths of hopeless moments, but I'm slowly losing circulation as I know you. I can't come to realization things will never be the same, and I'm impatient waiting like I'm locked in Jesse's basement. On occasion I will tend to question my affiliation with you based on information of you shacking lately, and I can't handle that, and I can't get you back, cause I can't do no match. You the strongest force I've ever had to pass. I'm not thoroughly enjoying how this process is going. I'd rather just know nothing than to see you with someone else.
You're in town, but I don't wanna see how you look now. I don't wanna hear what you're up to, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I said I heard it through the grapevine that you were still looking mighty fine. I don't even care to see the damn truth, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I don't wanna know that you're in town, I don't wanna see how you look now. I don't wanna hear what you're up to, cause I don't wanna feel how I do, feel how I do. I said I heard it through the grapevine that you were still looking mighty fine. I don't even care to see